I don't understand. That was fucking terrible.
What, do you try and peek?
He just went to, like, walked to the front door to fucking say hello. What a stupid cunt. Got him. Not the glass, though.
There they are! Okay. Right, they're in lockers. Sorry, that was my bad. That's terrible. They're all through that wall, dude. Yep. Glass outside. Oh, no. Oh, hey!
Last operator standing.
He's just literally right in front of you. Watch it like a hawk.
I'm getting constantly spotted here.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's fine, you're behind hard cover. Literally just tuck into that. Oh my god, he got
Four
me.
eliminated. Mission successful.
Thanks for making up for my garbage plays, boys. Oh, I got the drop on them, but like, I thought they'd be further in.
Noobs! Was that nearly an ace then?
Drone in there, I'm happy to do the thing.
Fuck's sake.
Friendly, last operator standing.
Yeah, she got me.
How did you do that?
I caught the tail end of that.
Yeah.
How did you do that? The Legion just jumped out a window on top of him while he was droning and he still did.
Fuck. Oh my god.
Oh my god, are you hurt?
Shit. No! The frost is on your left, and there's another frost trap through the window. Yeah, no, don't. There's another frost trap down there.
One friendly operator remaining.
Don't know if I can do it, boys.
Garage.
Should we go garage and I'll back you up? I got smoked.
Ah, I like the sound of that.
Also, there's a vigil around. There he is. I'm dead. My shield was up, but okay.
I was Ella.
Yep.
Boosting adrenaline.
Miss lower? Yeah, there you go.
Oh, this is fucking happening. Where are
Basement.
they? Oh.
Nice.
Adrenaline surge incoming.
No useful drones.
Right, let's make one.
They've still got a vigil droning, roaming even. Careful.
Biohazard container located.
That's one of our guys dead there, Connor. Careful. Beautiful.
Hostile activity neutralized. Securing the room.
Tato!
Hostile activity. Threat is neutralized.
Did you 3 HP, please?
Friendly
How?
operator remaining.
How did that mess?
Resume securing the
I
container
don't know.
once the threat is neutralized.
You watching me?
Everyone.
Four last stop standing.
Dead ahead, on your left. Yep. I know.
Long gone.
Yeah!
Four eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
You did a big sweaty carry. I'm very appreciative of
That
that.
was very good, dude.
And
Boy,
no,
everyone's
fuck that
getting
guy. He
so
doesn't have a
angry.
pronounceable name at all, like Hasikostas.
Yeah, that's it.
10 seconds.
Did I say it right?
I think so.
Oh,
Biohazard container has been located.
I guess it's very pronounceable.
5 seconds.
Yeah, they're trying to basically get rid of big damage macros.
Biohazard
No,
container
no,
has been
no.
secured.
Yeah.
So you press your one button and suddenly you burst.
Oh, tap him through the door, quick! Yes!
Nice.
Yes!
Are you joking?
Oh, clip!
Oh,
I'm gonna
I
need to
don't
show
know
you guys
how I
that.
got there.
Oh, the LMG.
Yeah, have health,
He's firing
Sophia.
at my house.
Ah. Oh.
He's like... He dead.
Hey.
Donna, what is that weapon in your hand, boy?
I'd be fucking dead otherwise. Shut up.
Your oath.
I didn't make any oath.
I swore no oath, boy.
It's between me and the gods!
Yeah, I was gonna say we did.
Operator remaining.
Why though?
We were all watching that, right? Oh, Connor!
That was fucking filthy.
Do you want to use my
Clip
fucking
that.
shotgun now?
Clip that.
I baited him.
Biohazard
Oh,
container.
he's there.
Stop the hostiles from securing the biohazard container.
Fuck off.
Is
Was that a frag?
Is he wounded?
That was my...
Was that Capcom, was it?
PvP.
Oh, he's in there, he's in there! reload where you got the chance.
Fucking sneaky Jew.
Just you snow
Just fast. It's just fucking... fucking shooting shadows, mate.
Oh,
What? Why are you playing?
Successful.
Clip?
Yep.
What is that